2026 Hyundai Ioniq EV is a car that manages to strike a balance between sleek, futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability, making it one of the most compelling electric vehicles on the market. At first glance, the exterior design immediately catches your attention. Hyundai has gone with a streamlined aerodynamic silhouette that isn't just for looks but also helps maximize efficiency. The front is clean and sharp, with pixel-inspired LED headlights that give it a signature presence, while the smooth, grille-less face reinforces its all-electric nature. The side profile carries bold character lines and flush door handles that pop out when needed, keeping the look modern and efficient. At the rear, the continuous LED light bar with pixel detailing is unmistakably Ioniq, offering a futuristic vibe that sets it apart from other EVs. Step inside, and the cabin feels like you've entered a tech-inspired lounge. The flat floor layout, thanks to the dedicated EV platform, creates an open, spacious atmosphere, while the sustainable materials used throughout the interior emphasize Hyundai's focus on You'll find a large panoramic display that seamlessly combines a digital gauge cluster and a responsive infotainment system, complete with intuitive touch controls and voice command functionality, wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air software updates, and a customizable digital assistant are all standard, making the driving experience feel highly connected. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either, with supportive seating, premium upholstery options, and clever storage compartments that make it practical for everyday family use. Performance is where the Ioniq EV continues to impress. Built on Hyundai's E-GMP platform, the 2026 model comes with improved battery chemistry that boosts efficiency and extends range. Depending on the configuration, drivers can expect around 350 to 400 miles of range on a full charge, which places it firmly among the leaders in its class. Acceleration is smooth and immediate, as expected from an EV, with the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant offering plenty of punch for quick highway merges and confident passing. The single-motor setup remains an efficient option for those prioritizing range over outright performance. Charging is another strength, with ultra-fast 800-volt architecture allowing the Ioniq EV to regain up to 80% of its battery in under 20 minutes at compatible charging stations. For everyday convenience, home charging with a Level 2 setup remains straightforward and reliable. Driving dynamics are tuned to offer a balance between comfort and engagement. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease, while the low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, gives the car a planted, stable feel even around corners. Regenerative braking has been refined in this 2026 update, with multiple levels that can be adjusted to suit driver preference, including a near one-pedal driving experience for urban commutes. Hyundai has also prioritized safety with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. A highway driving assistant feature even allows for semi-autonomous capabilities on long journeys. What truly makes the Hyundai Ioniq EV stand out is its versatility. It's a car that works as a comfortable family vehicle, a tech-focused commuter, and even a stylish head. The blend of high range, rapid charging, practical interior space, and futuristic design language gives it mass appeal. Hyundai's competitive pricing strategy and strong warranty coverage make it a value-packed offering in a segment that continues to get more competitive each year. In the end, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq EV isn't just another electric car, it represents how far the industry has come in making EVs practical, stylish, and exciting without compromise. Whether you're stepping into the EV world for the first time or upgrading from an earlier model, this Ioniq offers a combination of features and performance that makes it a serious contender in the electric mobility landscape.